Hey, it's Greg Luther here, and listen, I was just grabbing a drink. I'm paying some bills today, and you as a real estate agent, I know that's not something you like to do, but you have to do. And what I wanted to do, I've got one bill I'm getting ready to pay here, and I thought it'd be a great lesson for real estate agents so I can show you a little bit about what your goal is as a real estate agent. Now, many of you know that I do a lot of Facebook marketing. We pick up a lot of buyers and sellers, even do some stuff in the luxury real estate market by running very simple Facebook ads. Well, if you followed the path of what we've done over the last 12 months, we actually started at $5 a day on Facebook ads. Now, I don't have to tell you, for 30 days, that's $150 a month, right? So spending only $150 a month, which anybody can do, any real estate agent in the country can spend $5 a day on ads, we were able to get a couple of closings for the agents that I work with. And then I said, you know what, let's go to $10 a day. Well, that worked really well. We doubled our business. Let's go to $20 a day. We doubled our business again. So we started very small, which means this is attainable by anybody, but I'm paying some bills here in the office, and I wanted to show you a little bit about where we're at today. So do me a favor, follow me. I want to show you something. I think you're going to find it incredibly useful and instructional for you, but most importantly, you're going to see here's how you build a business for yourself from the ground up as a real estate agent. So follow me into the home office here, and I want to show you something that will probably be, you'll think it's unattainable for you at this point, but man, it is phenomenal for you and your real estate business. And here's what I mean. So we're going to jump right onto my computer here, and I want to actually show you, I'm going to show you what I'm working on. If you take a look at my computer, this is my American Express bill. Now, you can see it is freaking crazy. So if you've ever had debt problems, you know how hard credit card bills are and that type of thing. But what you'll notice, last month's bill was $95,000. That's what I'm getting ready to pay now. You know, American Express don't mess around. You got to pay it all. We're already getting a bunch of charges for this month. But this is what we're spending on Facebook ads now. If you look down here, you'll see every single day we get multiple bills at $900 a day, $900 a day, even on the same day. This is happening for us, right? So we started at $5, but this is making us a fortune. If you can get 10 to 1, if you can spend $100 and get $1,000, it's good, right? If you can spend $1,000 and get $10,000, if you can spend $100,000 and you can get yourself $1 million, you're going to be in good shape and do that every single month. So what we're going to do, I'm not going to make the minimum payment. I'm going to make the entire payment for the month, the entire statement balance, because every month we're charging this. And what I'm going to do, you can see I'm doing it live here, and I'm paid. I just paid $95,000 in debt, but it's good debt because it generates revenue. There's not a human in the world that would spend $100,000 a month on ads that weren't generating tons and tons of business for them. We do this every single month. But what I want you to get as a real estate agent is I myself started at $5. I used my debit card for $150 for the month. And that's where we've gotten now. So you've heard me say a million times before, as a real estate agent, you don't have a problem with expenses. You have a problem with income. And if you can fix your income, expenses are no longer a problem. If we go outside and you see a $100,000 car, an $80,000 car, a $120,000 car, do you know how much that is? That's like $4,000 a month. It's a fraction of one transaction. Those are sweet rides, but you don't have a problem with expenses. You have a problem with income. And I know when we're struggling, because I've been there, I've had my car repoed, I had my house foreclosed on. So I know when we're struggling, it's real hard to see that. Like, holy crap, he paid $95,000 with a click of a mouse, did it live. Like, it would have been embarrassing if my credit card didn't, if my checking account didn't approve it or something, right? But this is directly from my checking account, paying off $100,000 in debt. We do it every single month. How is that possible starting from $5 a day? That means every real estate agent, this is attainable. And if you've been to our live events with Greg Luther Coaching, you've seen agents that are doing well over $1 million a year. So they're making big money. Some of them are doing over $2 million a year. They started at $5 a day, and they're growing their business from there. If you are on a path, if you want to get on a path to where you can start small, nowhere near this, but Can you afford $5 a day? You need to be involved with Greg Luther Inner Circle. What you'll find is we teach agents how to do free marketing and how to get going with Facebook ads. Because by the way, how do you think we got this in front of you? It was a penny to get it. It's less than a penny per view. So I want you to understand how to do that for buyers and sellers in your local marketplace, and that's what we focus on. How do we generate luxury level buyers and sellers, middle of the road or move up buyers? They're selling a lower home and buying a larger home. I'll show you how to do all of that inside our training. We actually have a free training I want you to check out right now. If you have 40 minutes available, I want you to go to getfastclosings.com. You'll see it in the description here somewhere, but when you have 40 minutes available, go to getfastclosings.com and start taking some notes, because we can start on a shoestring budget to build your business the way you need to. You know what you ought to do? You ought to get as much training as you can from people that know what they're doing and they show the goods. They show that this actually works. So you want to make sure you follow our page. You can click the follow button here and turn on notifications. I think it'll say something like see this first. If you turn on the notifications, you'll know every time I have a new piece that we're showing you. I'm going to be showing you the inner workings of a lot of stuff we're doing here. So if this is helpful for you, if it's inspirational for you at least, I want you to click the like button. If this is something that you're thinking, holy crap, I'd love to get to that point, because see, what happens is if you're struggling as an agent, and I hear this from agents all the time, we've got 30,000 realtors around the country that we work with, and I hear from them all the time, I got to get my expenses down. What are you talking? One close? What do you mean you need to get your expenses down? Every single day I have conversations with my team. How can we spend $250,000 a year? Or $250,000 a month? How can we spend more? How can we spend an extra 20 grand a month? Why? Because it's feeding itself with additional revenue. It's not money that we had. I certainly wasn't born rich. I was born with a plastic spoon in my mouth. So this is about how do we start from literally poverty to build this business where you want it to be. Go to getfastclosings.com. I want you to watch that presentation and I want you to put it in place for yourself. Your path starts today if you decide you're going to make it start today. So make sure you follow our page here. Like this video if it is helpful for you. I'd love to get you anywhere near closing a lot of big business like some of our other agents, and I want you to be on board with that as well. So check it out, getfastclosings.com. I'm Greg Luther, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we have a lot more information to share with you as well. I want you to do 3 important things so that we can start growing your real estate business immediately. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up. It's totally free, very easy to do. But you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel and then make sure you ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you're turning on notifications, so it'll let you know every time we load new videos and we load new training content for you nearly every single day. Now, additionally, I've got a big bonus for you, because every week I choose one agent that I'm going to do a one-on-one coaching call with. Let me tell you how we choose them. You'll want to comment on this video below, because every week we choose one person from the comments that I'm going to help them in growing their real estate business. So leave a comment below on the video that you just watched. What'd you think about it? Do you like it? Are you trying it? Is it something you're intrigued by or want more information on? Leave a comment below, and we choose someone every single week that I have a one-on-one coaching call with. So 3 important things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and then leave a comment on this video below. We'll plan on seeing you soon.